All right. Yeah, this is the river now, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Come on, girl, don't fucking stop now.
Don't stop. I'm going to jump out of here. This is another one of those areas where people are using, so it's getting absolutely trashed. And then we've got this section here where people have been using like a bypass to avoid going in there. So this is a bit of a rough, messed up area. Look at this as well. Okay, so we're on Strata, Florida, in search for some snow, and there's a little bit scattered about, and the water levels are pretty high in places, so it should be pretty good. A nice small group for today. Also looking at the condition of the lane as well today, so see what kind of state it's in. Yeah, we've got snow and ice on Strata, so it should be pretty good. No, some longer days front wheel there. See, it's not looking very good. That's a bit there where people have been digging in, look. Some water flowing down the rocks. Wow, it's blowing an absolute hoolie up here, and Strata, Florida in the bad weather. It's pretty interesting. Let's watch the guys look for this bit now. Right, okay guys, so this is the next section now, the damage. I can see it's got absolutely beyond, and then to see this all the way across here, it's absolutely bonkers. There's bits of car and plastics everywhere. So we're trying to get the guys to come through now, but God, look at this. 5 years ago, this was not here. This changed so much. People were wrecking it. It's disgusting. The damage up here now is getting beyond, and we're at the risk of losing this lane. The rock step section, and then we've got this part here which everybody is just like taking a mick out of now. It's just absolutely wrecked, and obviously this is the correct line through here as you go through here, but it has gone absolutely mental. Just have a look at this now. Okay, we got tyres. I mean, come on guys, this is just ridiculous. We'll have a look at that bit in a second. So I have to stand anyway, all the amount of mud and get stuck. That's it, you got it, Tom. That's it. Dave's going to be a bit gentle now because obviously his steering arm took a bit of a knock, so he's going to try and choose a good line. Troughs that maybe are going to be pretty deep.
Go down here.
Yeah, off the speed here.
We're just going to try it.
Yeah, these ones shouldn't be too bad. It's one where you come into the woods. I reckon it's going to be like bonnet deep.
We'll come in.
Shouldn't it? you just have, if get a bow wave to push it out. It'll be right. Look at the ice. we're going that way. So there's another track going down there, look. It's nice to see a little bit of snow, not much around, but the water levels are definitely getting pretty deep. Yeah, straight on, yeah. Yeah, keep going right. Film in the dry. That's a deep one, isn't it?
Let's just keep it like this.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just keep it sort of in the middle. Keep the speed as well the same, so that if you do make a bow wave, you push it ahead of yourself in. Yeah, that's spot on this. Well, that's deep. That's what the headlights on is.
Yeah.
It's just there, it's deep, isn't it?
It's a bit flow.
Yeah. Area like up there, where people do it to avoid that rock, any weird things. Oh, look at that.
I just hope this don't lead into a great big hole.
Yeah, submerged.
Yeah.
We've never seen the water on it. We've always missed like the big days like this. But that's amazing. So this is really good, you know, to see the water levels like this. It's pretty nuts. Yeah, you can see, look at the water running down here, pretty wild. think these are brave guys. Yeah, could do, yeah. If it's
Up to you if
Yeah.
you know what you're doing with it.
Is it iPhone, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the water down there is like crazy. The flow up. Mental that is. How much water there? Literally driving the river.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
The river bit. Come on. Thousands of gallons of water.
Yeah, it's mad, isn't it? That's holding some water there, though.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's like, whoa. Oh, that's deep. Bloody hell, that's really pushing. Mate. Wow.
Some good gear on if they're dry.
Yeah. That's it for you. Not too bad, actually.
Where do you want to start?
Here, and I can jump across the grass and you go a bit down there. So we've picked up two buggies that are going to join us because for safety. So yeah, we've got two extras on the back of us. They don't fancy going in front, which is understandable in the buggies, to be honest. So we'll lead the way. Nice little buggies these are. Yeah, we're... Yeah, so that's another off section. Oh, it's so deep, is it?
The worst thing is I can't see the reason for them going on there.
Yeah.
It's not like there's massive obstacles here.
No. That's it, people only come up here when there's no water flow anyway, so
Yeah.
what's the point of going in there?
This is, you know, fairly good, this bit.
Yeah. That's some flow, isn't it? Oh, you can feel it. Yeah.
Holding you back.
Yeah.
At least I won't have to pressure wash so much when I get my welding done at the back.
It'll be shiny underneath.
Yeah.
So where do you take this for a wash then? It's absolutely gleaming.
Yeah.
Strata, Florida.
Yeah.
people started going up there as well.
We go to the right.
Yeah, it's follow this.
Follow the river.
Yeah. Yeah.
How can you straighten that bar a bit?
That was bonkers, wasn't it?
Yeah, I thought some things like that, once they've bent, they never quite go back.
No.
You might notice if it's on the main road.
Yeah. It's clear they knew what to do as well.
Yeah.
That's, never seen that before.
Oh, there, see?
Yeah.
Pull it here, jack it there.
That's it. Pull it backwards.
Yeah.
This bit gets steep as well when you cross over.
Oh, we go to the right.
Yeah, we go. So there's like a gate and then up that hill. Flipping hell,
So this is a river.
yeah, this is the river now, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Come on, girl, don't fucking stop now.
Don't stop. I'm gonna jump out of here. Hang on, Tom. Okay, go, go, go. Yeah, he's underwater. Steady, Tom. Oh shit. You're gonna get him out of that. Bloody hell. You're right. Okay.
That was the worst on there.
Mate.
Pretty light, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's shot, mate. That's not good. Right. Yeah, yeah. Got a bit of a fright, but. I was going to keep pushing that.
Yeah.
It's
It's gonna go down, yeah.
a land room down here. On this side of the windshield.
It's all soft marsh along here though.
Can we get onto that?
You could do, but you'll probably sink along here. Is that tracks there? Was there something flat there, isn't there?
Oh, that's
Oh, was it?
floating.
Bloody hell.
Trying to get some boat. Tried to get it round, but the back just put down on the side. I was floating, well, I think
Yeah.
we were floating a bit as well. Yeah.
Bloody hell. If you go under the fence, it won't be too bad because you can come out at the bottom then, but I don't know if there's any deep rock pools or anything, that's the thing.
We've got for a reason, isn't it? Maybe.
Bloody hell, man. Is that, where's your air intake? Is it above water still?
That's back there, yeah, it could be alright, but. What point did you turn it off?
There's a bit of a situation there, we can try and get the Land Rovers to rescue that down there with the winches. The Can-Am's got down there, it's just light like a boat. And And then we got this one over here too. So yeah, this is going to be dodgy. Yeah. I'm not sure where it's going. Yeah.
Yeah. Put a hitch in that rope if you want. Okay? You want to put a loop in the rope? Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. Got a chance there.
That's right, sorry. Yeah. The boys just floated all the way down. It's turned into a bit of a rescue mission now. We're in a bad situation with these guys here with the buggies. I mean, they're so light and they're just floating in the river. Jesus. Yeah, it's about 3 foot drop.
there, and I think we get a snatch block up there somewhere.
You can't get across this. It's the force. It's too much. Can't do it. Pull it past the wall, all the way down to the next river crossing. Possible. Oh, yeah. No way, get off of it.
Just when I side load it, I'll pull it in and
The winch. Yeah.
Ready? This is how you destroy a cannon.
I guess somehow we've got to try and
Yeah, climb around the front. Yeah. You just need to pull it, keep pulling it out. Got to try and kick it out. Yeah.
Right, that's what you can do.
Yeah.
Did I not get my body this way here, do you think?
No, it's too light.
Yeah, so yeah.
Yeah. You pull it?
Swapping brake.
We had a shovel. What about these were in that bit of wood was down the cross?
It's stopping it from going down.
I'm stopping from going over.
Yeah.
That's a good or bad thing.
At the moment, good. But if that tree wasn't there, it'd gone down. No. There's nobody in this, it's moving. Where's the guy gone? I got Dave.
Hey, come on. Get your foot on the brake. Dave, I think yours is going to do the...
Well, yeah, alright. The only other thing to do is let it go under the... Where's it going to be?
Yeah, Dave, I think it's yours that needs to flip it.
Can we not try and break that bit? Oh, there we go, there we go.
The only,
I drove through, right?
yeah. The only other thing is just let it go under, and then catch it somewhere near the hole.
The right place.
Yeah,
Seriously.
yeah. There is that chance.
She would come over. They were after fan and that, mate. And
Yeah.
we've got so much water coming down now.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
We're risky. We've got the next crossing. We've got to get out now. We need to get out of that next crossing. Yeah. Yeah, it does, yeah, it comes down the bottom. Yeah. It comes out by the bomb hole. It's flat just down there. If it's stuck there though, isn't it? Yeah.
yeah, I've got a little chisel.
Yeah. You need a proper recovery team up here.
Right, mate, we can find something. We haven't got to get to pull that out.
That's written off now. That is. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to get some out of the glove box, I think. I don't know. Oh, in that one? Oh no. The water's coming up now. We're starting to get underwater here now.
Yeah, we're going to be down there through that.
We need to get down, but we'll have to take the other buggy with us and the free.
Okay.
We'll have to take the other buggy with us. That's going to stay with us.
Yeah.
And the two guys, they ain't going to get back up that way.
No, no.
So we're kind of knackered now. Everybody's soaked. We're all soaked through. Yeah. No. No.
We're putting that on the insurance claim in writing. What are you doing? You're chugging along.
Yeah, striking a bit there.
I don't know where it is, but I haven't got it anymore.
It was very lucky he didn't drown.
Yeah. Pulled him out of there. What's his name? Tom? Pulled it, yeah.
Like I wasn't properly over the fence, and he only had him by 1 hour.
Yeah, I was on the other side trying to grab his other arm.
You do wonder if you cut the fence.
Let it go then.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Probably got sidetracked.
It's the next choice, I think.
I mean, we can talk to him about it.
I think it's going to stay where it is though. But it's,
It'll be a proper recovery job then.
yeah, it hasn't moved. It hasn't moved since it's been off the winch, has it? So. But what I've noticed, the water level has raised by about 2 foot already now since we've been
Is
here.
it really?
Yeah, it's literally spread all across down here now. Yeah. Yeah, we can't go back. We've got to keep going. We'll have to go with the flow of the water now. So, yeah, we'll get you back to the Red Lion.
Yeah.
We'll have to obviously go down with the flow. We'll have to go with the flow of the water. We can't. There's no way going back up against it. So it's going to be risky. You'll have to keep strapped every time you come to walk crossing. The back of the whoever's on the back.
Yep.
And you'll have to sit in with one of us guys as well. Whoever.
If it stops raining,
It's not going to, man.
Still going to feed it.
Yeah. This is.
Going to be behind
Yeah, this has raised by about a foot, 2 foot since we've been here.
Yeah, it has. Because when I first come in, it was only so far up. And
Yeah.
then when
Okay, you've got whatever you need though, yeah? Keys and things. Yeah.
in here. Well, you've got, yeah, it's in there.